My name is Dominique Cilliers. I am 19 years old from the beautiful community Klipspruit, Soweto. I am the last born raised by both my mom and dad, who are hardworking and always have my best interests at heart. I would like to someday become an attorney as well as have my own rehabilitation center. Being selected as a finalist for the Miss Soweto pageant is an indescribable feeling where my tummy is only filled with butterflies. It is a huge achievement and something one should be shouting about. I am a tenacious person, a person who never gives up and never stops trying, a person who does whatever is required to accomplish a goal. Therefore, I believe I have what it takes to be the next Miss Soweto, because I will use this platform to shape young South African females into leaders, embrace their self-worth, own their voice, and inspire others. Please vote for me to be the next Miss Soweto. Send the word HI on WhatsApp to 087 153 1007 and follow the prompts to vote.